Attention Broncos, we've come up with a detour to help you get from campus to the I-10 westbound as fast and as safe as possible. The first closure will affect those who take the I-10 westbound on-ramp when leaving campus. The route we recommend to take for this closure is through Temple Avenue. While leaving campus from Kellogg Drive, turn onto South Campus Drive using the right 2 lanes. Use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Temple Avenue. Continue on Temple for 2 miles. Look out for Wendy's as the 57 northbound on-ramp shortly follows the 57 southbound on-ramp. Turn right to merge onto the 57 northbound towards the I-10 and I-210. Stay on the 57 northbound. Follow signs for the I-10 westbound. Stay in the second to the right lane, then continue on to the left lane for the I-10 westbound toward Los Angeles. Visit www.cpp.edu/compass for more information on detours.